Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These will help you safely and effectively replace the screen. First, power off your HP16A001ns and disconnect it from any power source. It's crucial to avoid any electrical hazards during this process. Next, remove the battery if your model allows it. This step is essential for your safety. Now, locate the screws securing the screen bezel. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, use the plastic spudger to gently pry the bezel away from the screen. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the clips holding the bezel in place. With the bezel removed, you will see the screen secured by additional screws. Remove these screws using the Phillips screwdriver. Once the screws are out, gently tilt the screen forward. You will notice a cable connecting the screen to the motherboard. Carefully disconnect this cable by pulling it straight out. If you encounter resistance, double-check for any additional clips or connectors. At this point, it's a good idea to clean the internal components of your laptop. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This will help improve airflow and prevent overheating in the future. Now, take your new screen and connect it to the motherboard by aligning the connector and pushing it in firmly. Ensure it's secure before proceeding. Once connected, tilt the screen back into place and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Before reattaching the bezel, double-check that everything is connected properly. Power on your laptop to test the new screen. If the display works correctly, proceed to reattach the bezel by snapping it back into place and securing it with the screws. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your laptop. Our service includes professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you know exactly what needs to be done. Finally, if you prefer not to tackle this yourself, we provide a quote before repair, allowing you to make an informed decision without any pressure. Once the bezel is secured, reinsert the battery if applicable, and your HP16A001ns should be ready to use with its new screen. Enjoy your refreshed display. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.